Okay, let me admit all, then very quickly we'll complete this. By the time others join, okay, we can do this revision very quickly, beta. We're talking about cardiac cycle. It completes in how many seconds?
0.8 seconds.
Let's talk about auricles. Auricular systole is only how much?
0.1 second.
0.1 second.
And its personal relaxation, if I talk about auricles, it is how many seconds?
0.3 seconds.
0.3 seconds.
And the joint diastole is 0.4.
4.
So
0.7 seconds.
auricular systole is 0.1 and auricular diastole total is 0.7. So the entire cardiac auricular cycle is how many seconds over here? It is 0.8. In 0.8 seconds, the contraction is only how many seconds in auricular area?
0.1 second.
0.1 second.
Very good. And the relaxing is in
0.7
0.3
seconds.
second.
0.7 second.
0.7. Now let's talk about a ventricle now. Ventricular systole, ventricle thoda zyada kaam kar raha hai. It is how many seconds?
0.3 seconds.
0.3 second.
This is getting a diastole of 0.1 second and of course a joint diastole of 0.4. So this also makes 0.8 second. I was discussing this with you children. That auricles are contracting for 0.1, ventricles are contracting from 0.3 and the entire cardiac cycle is completed in how many seconds?
0.8 seconds.
0.8 second.
0.8 seconds.
50% of 0.8 seconds is
0.4 seconds.
0.4. So if you see, neither your auricles nor your ventricles are working for 0.4 seconds. That means they're not even working for 50% of their capacity. And not even 50%, still you see how wonderfully the human heart is regulating everything, right from the birth to the death. कोई गड़बड़ नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है. Everything goes on in a very smooth manner. Of course, God forbidden, we have abnormalities, we have cardiac arrest, we have different, they are ailments, they are diseases. If I talk about a healthy individual, this is so interesting, this is so amazing and impressing कि वो अपना capacity का 50% भी काम नहीं करते हैं, the heart. And especially if you talk about the auricles, just 0.8 seconds में only how much are they working?
0.1 second.
0.1. The rest of the time they are all relaxed. Similarly, ventricular systole also out of 0.8, it is only for how many seconds?
0.3 seconds.
0.3.
None of them is even working from 50% of the capacity. And uske baad bhi, it is so interesting, so impressive to see that they are giving their best. Such efficiently the human heart is working. So I hope this is clear. The entire cardiac cycle is how many seconds, beta?
0.8
0.8
seconds.
second.
So I have got my answer, which you people told me in the beginning, that the entire cardiac cycle is completed in less than 1 second. Entire thing. Auricles being filled with blood, auricles contracting, blood coming to ventricles. Ventricles relaxing, contracting, then relaxing, then joint diastole, blood going to aorta, pulmonary artery. By the time auricles are again filled and the cycle again starts, the entire thing is done even in a time less than 1 second. So you can well imagine how efficiently and how nicely in coordination these chambers work, how the walls work. Immediately they know when the wall has to close so that there is no backflow of blood. This is something very, very impressive and interesting. Last thing, let us compare these two sounds, lub sound and dub sound, also known as the S1 and S2 sounds in medical science. When sometimes we have medical science terms or books you will read, then lub sound is known as the S1 sound. And what is the S2 sound?
Dub.
Dub sound.
Yes, let's do this now. Lub sound is produced when ventricles contract, that is the closure of the left and the right auricular ventricular walls. बस इतना याद रखो, when auricular ventricular walls close, then your first sound is produced. And when your semilunar walls close, then your second sound is produced. This I've already done with you. Let me come to the other points. It is less loud. Lub sound is less loud. And which one is louder?
Dub sound.
The dub sound
Dub
is loud.
sound.
But the first one, that is lub, is for a longer duration, and the dub one is for a shorter duration. Clear, everybody? If you compare, then which one is louder, lub or dub?
Dub.
Dub.
Dub. And which one is for a shorter duration?
Dub.
Dub sound.
Dub.
Dub.
So the stimulus for contraction comes from the SA node. We have an SA node. This is the stimulus from where the auricles start this process. Okay, this is class 12. This has nothing to do with you. Which one is louder, children?
Dub sound.
Dub.
The dub sound is louder. So what are the two kinds of sounds we have? Lub sound and
Dub sound.
Dub.
Dub or
sound.
dub.
if I can go back to the figure here. Let's talk about these. These are three vessels here in the right auricle. Name the three vessels very quickly which are bringing blood over here.
Superior vena
Superior
cava,
vena cava, inferior vena cava,
superior vena cava,
sinus.
and inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava and coronary sinus.
Okay, very good. So blood must be coming here also. Who is bringing blood here in this one?
Pulmonary
Blood
artery.
from-
Aorta and pulmonary artery.
So the blood is all filled now. The auricles are entirely filled with blood. So what are the auricles going to do? They're going to contract now. When they'll contract, the blood from the auricles will be pushed down. What is this down area? What is it called? The lower
Ventricles.
ventricle.
Ventricles.
And if you can see these are your audioventricular walls. These will close. And why are they going to close on both the sides? So that the blood from the ventricle does not go back to the auricles. And as soon as, very good, as soon as they'll close, beta, these walls between these two, the first sound of the heart will be made, which is known as which sound?
Love
Love.
sound. Sound.
So your blood has come into the ventricles, अब auricles आराम करेंगे, they're going to relax. Please remember, once your blood is over here and ये बंद हो गए आपके walls, अब auricles को कुछ नहीं करना है, they are in relaxed phase. As soon as they are in relaxed phase, ये इनकी openings again open हो जाएंगे. This angle is at such a way कि ये तभी बंद होता है जब contraction होता है. So blood will again start coming over here, but auricles have nothing to do with it. Now your blood has reached where? It has reached into the right ventricles. From the right ventricles, if you see, I have made this, okay? Aorta and pulmonary artery. The blood has to go from the ventricles to where? These two main arteries, your aorta and the pulmonary arteries. Jana start ho gaya. Auricles have contracted. Now when ventricles have contracted, blood is pushed out. And when ventricles are going to relax now, then there is a problem which can come. जब ventricles relax करेंगे बेटा तो area बढ़ जाएगा. This volume is going to increase. And when volume increases, the pressure of the blood is going to decrease. Yes or
Decrease.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Decrease.
So there is a chance that
Yes,
this
ma'am.
blood from these two, I have drawn this as biphased. Can you tell me why ऐसा ऊपर जाके ऐसा क्यों बनाया है? One will go into one lung, the other will go into the other lungs.
Other lung.
That is why it is drawn like this. There is a chance that blood can start coming back from the pulmonary artery to the aorta back after the pressure is decreased. And pressure कब decrease होगा? When ventricles will become relaxed. So these semilunar walls, if you can see these semilunar walls, they will close. This is the second sound of the heart, ताकि वापस यहाँ पे नहीं आए ventricles में. First sound कब होता है? जब blood ventricle से auricle में नहीं जाना चाहिए, so walls बंद हो गए. Second sound कब हो गया? When blood from these aorta and pulmonary artery should not come back to ventricles, तो lunar walls close हो गए. So this is the second sound which we call as what? Which we call as the dub. What is the second sound called as?
Dub or dub.
Dub or dub.
Auricles relax हो गए, ventricles ने अपना blood aorta pulmonary artery को दे दिया, तो ventricles भी relax हो गए. Now we have come to a phase when all the four chambers are relaxed and blood is where? Into the aorta pulmonary artery. ये वाला पूरा four chambers, they are in relaxed phase now. That is known as which phase?
Joint diastole.
And that is for how many minutes? That is for how many seconds, sorry?
0.04 second.
Yes, it is only for this. And the entire
0.4
cardiac cycle,
seconds.
0.4 seconds. The entire cardiac cycle takes how many seconds?
0.8 seconds.
Second.
Yes. If I talk about the auricular part, then systole is
0.1 seconds.
0.1
0.1 second.
0.1. And the diastole of auricles is?
0.3 seconds.
0.3 second.
0.3 seconds.
If I add up the joint diastole and the auricular diastole, the auricles are in a relaxed phase for how many seconds?
0.7 seconds.
0.7 second.
So out of total 0.8 seconds, the systole is only 0.1 and they are relaxing for 0.7 seconds. Let's talk about the ventricle part now. Ventricular systole is how many seconds?
0.3
0.3
seconds.
second.
0.3 seconds.
And its own ventricular diastole is?
0.1
0.1
second.
second.
0.1.
It is getting the joint diastole also. So the total diastole phase of a ventricle is how many seconds?
0.5 seconds.
0.5 seconds.
0.4 second.
So if I talk about a cardiac cycle of 0.8 second, auricles are contracting only for 0.1 second and relaxing for 0.7. Ventricles are contracting only for 0.3 seconds and relaxing for 0.5 seconds. So conclusion is that the entire cardiac cycle is completed in less than 1 second. We had two heart sounds, lub and dub. You know when they are produced. Just remember that lub is less loud and dub is louder. This is for a longer duration and this is for a shorter duration. So cardiac cycle is okay. Blood entered the auricles, then from auricles it was pushed to ventricles. So these close, auricular ventricular walls closed. When ventricle is contracting, blood has to go here, semilunar walls are going to close. So whenever these close, whenever these walls are going to close, a sound will come better. So the first sound is going to be when auricular ventricular wall will close. And the second is when the semilunar walls will close. Whenever the walls are going to close, the reason is the same. To prevent what?
Back flow of blood.
And whenever the walls will close, they're going to make a sound. And when they'll make a sound, they are known as the heart sounds. The first heart sound is lub or dub?
Lub.
Lub.
Lub sound. Okay, this is louder.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is not louder. And what about the duration?
Longer duration.
Longer duration.
Longer duration. And your second sound, you already. What is the other name for lub and dub in medical science? What are they called as?
S1 and
Lub is
S2
called as
sound.
S1 and dub is known as S2.
Very good. S1 and S2 sounds. Can you guess why they are called S1 and S2 sounds?
Maybe because sound number 1 and sound number 2.
Exactly. It's very simple. I was thinking you'll guess it as systole 1, systole 2, but you people have guessed it right. Okay, it's very simple. Sound 1, sound 2, because this is first and this is the second sound. And this is an entire cycle, beta. The process will keep on continuing from auricles to ventricles, from ventricles to aorta pulmonary artery. By the time auricles will again be filled with blood, auricles will contract, blood will go to ventricles, ventricles will contract, blood will go to aorta pulmonary artery. जब तक ये सब कुछ होगा, auricles are again going to be filled with the same thing, that is blood. So this is a cycle. This is a cyclic process, and that is why what do we call this cycle as?
Cardiac cycle.
Cardiac cycle.
The most important thing which we need to remember is there comes a phase in the cardiac cycle when all the four chambers are relaxing. And despite that, we are working efficiently. Our heart is still working at that time when all the four chambers are relaxing. And that is for how many seconds?
0.4 seconds.
0.4 second.
Yes. So out of 0.8 seconds of cardiac cycle, are all the four chambers are resting for 0.4 seconds. So 50% time to all the four chambers are at rest, beta. The entire cardiac cycle 0.8 and joint diastole is 0.4 seconds. So half of the time to all the four chambers are relaxing. Just 50% efficiency say our heart is working, and it is working with such an impressive manner. That is all for today. Beta, make sure you revise today only. Whatever we've done, we'll continue tomorrow then. Okay? God bless you all. Good
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
God bless you, Beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.